welcome to my channel That Dreamy Soul, and I am Siddhi Shukla. So in today's video we are going to eat the food that I have never tried before. So there will be three main course, like a breakfast, lunch and dinner, and we have some snacks in middle, and of course midnight snack as well. First, it's time for breakfast. So here, as you can see that I am just out of the shower, so let's just grab the breakfast first, and so for breakfast today we have this Nestle chilled latte. So I have never tried this latte, so I'm just going to do that. Usually for breakfast I have milk and some biscuits if I'm a bit hungry. So we have this chilled latte first, so let me just try that. I think it's okay. It's just like a normal coffee to me, so there is nothing special, I guess. So it's just like a coffee, but it's very chilled. Thumbs up to me. Next we have this Urbanic fruit and nut cookies. So I have never tried a cookie with a nut and fruits in it, so I just got it, and I have never tried this Urbanic company as well, so this is the new one for me. Let's just try this. वेरी नाइस, बट इसमें थोड़े ज़्यादा नट्स और फ्रूट होते तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता. एज यू गाइस कैन सी देर इज नथिंग इन इट most of the cookie, but yes, still I can feel some fruits and nuts are there. So let me just try this one, where you can find some nutties, where you can see some nutties. Yeah, taste wise is good, but I would prefer some more fruits and nutties in it. It would be more tasty. Otherwise it is 8 out of 10 to me. So for the lunch I'm going to make it at home only, so we have to prepare for the lunch as well. So let me just quickly complete the breakfast, and I will see you where I'm preparing for a lunch. Do let me know in the comments if you have guessed what I am preparing for. And it's 50% ready.
5 hours later.
These buns are ready now, and this will go in baking. ये देखो, ये वाला अच्छा है, ये थोड़ा पिचक गया है, but this looks amazing. Now this will go in baking. can see, ow, sorry, it is ready. It is a cheese pool, I guess. मैंने जिस वीडियो से ये इंस्पिरेशन ली है, जिस रेसिपी से बनाया है, वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक कर दूँगी. सो लेट्स जस्ट सी इफ़ चीज़ पुल हैपन्स और नॉट. मैंने चीज़ तो बहुत अच्छे से डाला है, बट लेट्स सी इफ़ इट इज़ वर्थ और नॉट. लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई इट. बीच का लेती हूँ. उप्स. सो चीज़ पुल तो नहीं हुआ बहुत ज़्यादा, बट लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई इफ द फ्लेवर्स आर गुड और नॉट. सो फ्लेवर्स आर गुड. मुझे सिर्फ कोथमीर का टेस्ट आया अभी तक, कोरिएंडर का, बट लेट्स ट्राई अनदर वन. या सो चीज़ पुल हैपन. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ लेकिन हुआ. लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई दिस. इसमें चिली फ्लेक्स है तो इसके लिए थोड़ा मुझे स्पाइसी लग रहा है. नाइस. You can definitely try this. It's awesome. Look at this. Let me just complete it and I will see you once I have dessert, because मेरा खाना डेजर्ट के बिना कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता. Now this is called a cheese pull. वो शायद ठंडा हो गया था इसलिए चीज़ पुल नहीं हुआ फोटो खींचने के लिए, बट दिस इज चीज़ पुल. Look at this. Oops. It's a caramel pudding. So let's just try this. कैरेमल का भी टेस्ट आ रहा है और जो पुडिंग बोला है वनीला फ्लेवर. अमेजिंग. Hello guys, so it's currently 4:12. I'm not at all hungry, but as I have to eat something for afternoon snack. Here I have Mad Angles by Bingo. It's a Achari Masti and I have never tried this Bingo Mad Angles. So today I'm going to do that. Let's see कितना हम खा पाते हैं. Smells good. ये इसके जो चिप्स हैं वो भी कुछ अलग तरीके के हैं. आई मीन डिज़ाइन वाइज. आई गेस ओके है. मुझे इतना मज़ा नहीं आया. फ्लेवर्स उतने हटके या फिर बहुत ही मज़ेदार ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सिंपल सा टेस्ट है. 50 रुपए का है ये पैकेट. ओ माय गॉड. बिल्कुल भी मज़ा नहीं आया. और इतनी सी चिप्स के 50 रुपए देखकर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. नॉट एट ऑल वर्थ इट. अभी हमको इस नाश्ते में तो मज़ा नहीं आया. सो लेट्स सी हम डिनर में क्या कर पाते हैं. डिनर में हम बाहर से खाना मंगवाने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स सी वो कैसा आता है. and stay tuned to see what I eat. Hello guys, so it's now time for dinner. So I just ordered the food from Falafel Express. So by the name you can guess what is there in it. So it's falafel. I will leave the description in the description box below. Let me just open it and see what is there in, because I don't know how does it looks and how does it taste. It's cold actually, huh? So here is the food. I think it's a pita bread, and then we have some veggies and some falafel and some sauces in it. I'm not able to decode what is in there, so let me just grab and eat it first. I just broke it. Time for a taste test. It's really huge. See. I think one needs to develop a taste to like this. It is not bad actually, but it's really different, right? So it will take time to develop such taste. Let me just grab another bite. It is kind of okayish for me. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा इतना. It is very basic, like it is not spicy, not khatta, not meetha. It's like very moderate kind of a taste. And this sauce you can see here, it's something different. I don't know what it is. I guess it's tahini or no. I got it. It's hummus, I guess. Yeah, the chickpeas deep. I didn't like it. The veggies in it are very good. वहाँ तक sauce नहीं है. I mean hummus नहीं है, so it tastes good actually. It's hummus, just like some aloo patty thing, but some different kind of stuffing in it. Falafel tastes good. It also don't have such taste, but it's good. I can have it. Guys know कि हमारा डिनर का प्लान तो फ्लॉप हो गया. वो मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आया. जो मैंने खाया वही खाया, उसके बाद मैंने नहीं खाया. As I told you guys कि food is incomplete without dessert to me. So for dessert we have this Cadbury Choco Bakes. So it's basically a chocolate. So I have never tried this. So let's just try it. It looks yum. Let's just try it. मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया. Nice. But the aftertaste is not very good actually. स्टार्टिंग में चॉकलेट का फ्लेवर आ रहा है, लेकिन बाद में जो चॉकलेट का फ्लेवर आ रहा है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा इंटेंस है. ओके वो थोड़ा खट्टा जैसा आता है ना आफ्टर टेस्ट, वो वाला है थोड़ा. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. चलेगा, मैं ये कंप्लीट तो कर ही दूंगी. Hello guys, so it's already midnight. It's around 12:15. So we have two items for the midnight snack as well. First is this Mr. Makhana Cheesy Peasy. So let's just try that. So as you guys might be knowing that I have already tried makhana in my last video, but in cheesy flavor. It was a different flavor, so I thought let's just try this. It's just tastes like cheese balls, no difference, but the healthier version of the cheese balls, I guess. Thumbs up. I can definitely have this for midnight snack. And as I told you, there is a second thing as well. So that is this स्मूथ का टॉफ़ी कैरेमल फ्लेवर. आई थिंक ये नया आया है, आज तक मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं था. मैं जब बाहर गई थी तब मैंने इसका पोस्टर देखा था with this Varun Dhawan was the brand ambassador. Yeah, so let me just try this. It's yummy. वो जो हम टॉफ़ी खाते हैं ना कैरेमल वाली, लाइक वो एल्पेलिबल की आती है ना, वैसा ही बिल्कुल टेस्ट है. बहुत ही अच्छा है. थम्स अप. आई वुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वंस अगेन. आई विल हैव इट वंस अगेन, नॉट ट्राई. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and do let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see such videos more. I have another list of the things which I have never tried, but do let me know if you like the videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well, and also hit the notification bell icon. And I have mentioned my Instagram details in the description box, so do follow me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.